You got a minute? I'll teach you about Autogen. If you're good at prompt engineering, you know you can get good stuff out of GPT if you can give it, the right information. But it's really tedious to tell it to keep going or keep trying stuff after it kind of runs aground. Autogen, automated conversation between multiple models. So this is a researcher at Microsoft, not like a product manager trying to imagine a product, but like a researcher who uses the tool was like, I'm writing a framework that will help me do the work that I'm doing. It's actually great. Also far more stable than LangChain. It allows multiple agents to talk to each other and basically keep each other going. Basically, it works like this. You define two agents by writing two different system instructions, and then you write a little tiny bit of Python. It's really small, and I'll show it to you, and that makes them talk and do stuff. You can also write code and execute code, so if they need to use code to figure something out, they can. This is the repo. Click on Notebooks, and you'll see a bunch of examples of how to use it in IPython notebooks that you can just run on Google Colab without installing anything. All you need is an OpenAI key or to hook it up to a local large language model. You need an agent that will play as the human. This is called the user proxy. You need a producer agent that makes the thing that you want. You either need a planner or a critic or one that serves as both. A coder and a product manager is the classic idea here that most coders know, and so it's a good example. And then you just tell it something to do, and then it will iteratively try to resolve the issue until it does. Currently, this is the only actual large language model framework that I use regularly and trust. It's stable, it's maintained by clearly a bunch of professionals, it's only a year old, so there's a lot of ways to contribute if you want to. There's a lot of, frameworks out there that LangChain or Crew AI that I feel don't really add anything, but this adds a lot of things that I actually need and actually want. If you don't know how to arrange an agent hierarchy, it's because you don't know management, but that's another video.